How can I fix my zip code card if it's not working?
Hello, welcome to our guide on how to fix your zip card when it's not working. This video will walk you through some common issues and the ways to resolve them, making your zip card function smoothly again. Remember, it's essential to keep your card safe and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or magnetic fields, as these can cause damage.
What are the common issues?
Before we dive into fixing your zip card, it's essential to understand what might be wrong. There could be multiple issues, like the card is not recognized, the card is physically damaged, or perhaps there's an issue with your account. Pinpointing the problem is the first step to fixing it.
What if my card is not recognized?
If your zip card isn't recognized when swiped or inserted into a card reader, the magnetic strip may be demagnetized or dirty. Here's what you can do. 1. Clean your card. Use a soft cloth and gently clean the magnetic strip. Sometimes, dirt or smudges can prevent it from being read correctly. 2. Check for physical damage. Look for any signs of wear and tear. If you see any visible damage on the magnetic strip, your card may need to be replaced. 3. Test it on another reader. Sometimes, the issue may not be with the card but with the reader itself. Try using your card on a different reader.
What if my card is physically damaged?
If your zip card is bent, the magnetic strip is scratched, or it has other physical damage, it might not function correctly. In this case, you may need to request a replacement from the issuing company. 1. Contact customer service. Report the damage and request a new card. 2. Follow their instructions. Each company will have its own process for replacing a damaged card. They may require you to return the damaged card or provide some additional information.
What if there's an issue with my account?
If there's no issue with the card itself, but you're still having trouble, there might be an issue with your account. It's possible that your card has been deactivated, there's an issue with your account balance, or there could be a system error. 1. Check your account balance. Ensure you have enough balance on your zip card. 2. Contact customer service. Explain your issue to them. They should be able to check your account status and verify if there's an issue. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting and fixing your zip card issues. Always remember, regular maintenance of your card and keeping your account in good standing can prevent many of these problems. If in doubt, don't hesitate to contact your card issuer's customer service. They're there to help.